Hey, it's Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to make money selling coffee online. So, we all know how many people love coffee. It's an evergreen niche. It's as popular as ever and probably going to stay that way forever. But the thing is, in addition to having your coffee and spending money on your coffee and the products, wouldn't you love to just make money selling coffee products online as well? Well, let's find out how you can do that. How big is the coffee industry? Well, it's huge, and it's just getting bigger and bigger. You have to sit down and think about and do a little research and decide what you'd like to promote. But for now, these 5 programs I'm going to give you will get you started. So it starts with a website that you will build and the affiliate programs and different ways to sell coffee products and any other niche that you want online. You can build your entire website around the coffee products niche. You'll never run out of topics to write about. So you can write strictly about coffee in general and then have sub niche articles under coffee, or you can write about something, say, coffee makers. But you can start your online business and then you can branch out. So are you ready to learn how to sell coffee products and make money? Let's get started. So in this day and age, there are coffee shops everywhere. People are buying coffee and coffee products online like crazy. So whether it's a coffee shop or online, the coffee industry is huge, and it's projected to be $240 billion by the year 2025. So what are people looking for? Well, let me show you the numbers. Let's start with the number of monthly searches. So we're going to go through a keyword tool in this program called Jaaxi. It's the best keyword tool out there. So like any other keyword tool, you're just going to type in the keywords that are best in your niche. So we're going to start out with coffee makers. Look at the numbers here. The average is 42,454 searches a month. Coffee makers. As you can see, there are more here. It's an awesome number. You can write a lot of articles, on your website when it comes to coffee products and coffee makers. So let's go a little deeper. Let's try something else called coffee cups. Almost 5,000 searches. That's huge too. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of other keywords here that you can write and rank for. We'll go down one more time, try coffee shops. Coffee shops, 273,000 coffee shops. And we all know about Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts and all the other coffee shops. But it's just, that's how big coffee is. So I think this is an excellent niche. And you can search for coffee filters, mugs, coffee accessories. The list is endless. So now I want to show you how you compare these three. All three of these keywords here on the Google search trends. As you can see, there's a market for coffee, obviously. I didn't even have to do this, and I could have told you that, but I wanted to show you. So it's pretty apparent that coffee is an excellent niche to be in. And it's not like it's higher or lower at certain times of the year. People drink coffee year round. The possibilities here are endless. You can just dig down and deeper and deeper, and I don't think you'll ever run out of things to write about. Here's just a few on the coffee products: coffee makers, filters, coffee itself, coffee shops, like I said, accessories, mugs, cups. We covered coffee dripper, beans, espresso maker. It's just endless. This is just a short list that I wanted to provide you with. What you're doing is you want to zero in on exactly what your prospective buyers are looking for. You're not interested in the money at this point. You're interested in what the buyer is looking for. Then give them what they want and you'll be successful. But you want your buyers to trust you. That's the most important thing, because you want to show them it's a better choice to purchase from you as opposed to a brick and mortar store selling the same product. So again, what are we resolving? Can what you're actually doing help people to search and resolve their problems in the first place? If you can provide the answers, that's how you'll be successful. It was your choice to choose this topic for one or two reasons. You either love it or you know a great deal about it. Don't waste your time otherwise, because I'm not going to say that content is king. I'm going to say quality content is king. People will see right through you if you don't provide something that's logical and solves their problems. So let's talk about this a little bit more. People are looking for products in your niche, in this case coffee. Maybe it's a different type of coffee. Maybe it's a coffee maker. Whatever it is. You just want to provide the answer, the solution to their problem. Here's someone purchasing a coffee maker. So you want to write an article and you want to provide enough information, more than one choice, for them in purchasing a coffee maker. Another problem solution is people may be looking for alternate choices of an excellent brand of coffee. They may be tired of whatever the coffee is that they're drinking and they want to try something else. So you can do a best product solution. What are the best coffee makers around? Give them the answers, and like I said, give them more than one choice. Name brand coffee makers and coffee companies as well. It's your job to show them how and why the ones you are reviewing are the best products for their coffee taste. So those are just two examples. And just a quick tip here, don't attempt to find and solve every problem in the beginning. Don't waste your time. Just go one at a time, find one problem that people are looking to solve, and provide the solution. Follow the template and stick with it. She's happy. She got our coffee. So now I want to talk about how to get your audience to take out their credit card. So you're on the road, you've chosen your niche, and it's basically what the buyer is looking for to solve their problem. You are providing the solution to that problem. So what else do you have to consider here? The first and foremost thing is considering the specific group of people who are searching and clicking on your site. For coffee products, it's obviously that people are looking for products because they're interested in coffee, and there are a lot of them. The majority of people do drink coffee. So, like I said, whatever it is they're looking for is what you want to provide a solution for. That's it in a nutshell. That's what you have to do. Just think about the prospective buyer. Put yourself in their shoes. You got to be zero-in targeted here with this. How many different coffee programs are there? It's important to include whatever you feel pertinent to the coffee product. Make sure you got them all covered. Some coffee drinkers, many, know what they want, so you better know it too. Be 100% sure that you provide the answers, because if they get to your site and leave because they couldn't find what they're looking for and what they really needed, they're not coming back. So I'm talking about coffee products, coffee in general right now, but you can go down, dig a lot deeper. You can do coffee makers, coffee cups, whatever you choose to do. Whether it's, like I said, in general, just coffee, the whole website, and then you can work your way into other, or you could just do coffee makers and work in that way. Right now, I want to point out to you about that you need a website to promote these affiliate programs. You cannot do this without a website. Here's your 4-step formula right here, clicking on here. All right. I will be there to help you, along with every other member of the community, and I'll discuss this a little more at the end. So, solve their problems without them making a purchase. This is the right way to do this. If you write articles in a way that'll make it a simpler experience for your reader to do the research, but they purchase somewhere else, then you're solving the problems and helping your readers out, right? But you're not getting the sale. But this builds trust. Once they trust you, they will be more likely to come back again and then buy from you and over again. This may not sound like the right way, but trust me, this works. You have to build trust. The other thing with selling online is you're selling without touching. The buyer obviously cannot touch the product. So that is a disadvantage. And that's where you have to cover all the intangibles and do a flawless job to make up for that. Look into the audience. Gear toward your buyer and not your product. You don't build a business, you build people, and then people build the business. That's so important. I don't want you to forget that because it's really important. So coffee products is the niche here. The person searching for coffee products is the most important aspect because they are the business. Now there are ways to sell coffee products online. I'm just going to tell you that I choose affiliate programs, affiliate marketing. Any company who has any product has an affiliate program for that product that you can promote, which means if you put a link to their product on your website and they click on it and they buy, you get a commission. And that's basically what affiliate marketing is. So how do you find these? Well, you go to Google, type in coffee plus affiliate programs, and voila, here you go. And this is just a couple that I can only fit on here, obviously. There are many, many programs, but you want to make sure they pay out adequate commission. The higher ticket items are much better commissions. Just make sure they're pertinent to the coffee niche. Make sure they offer decent testimonials. The products are of good quality, excellent customer service, and they are in direct relation to the problem you are solving in your niche. Make sure that the payment structure is solid. So in every case, you're going to have to apply for the program before you're allowed to promote their products. Do not skip over this. Just follow the directions. Follow the instructions. If you don't apply and fill the necessary information, you can be rejected, and you will not be able to represent their products to earn commissions on. It's really common sense, because they're going to ask you the name of your website, what your traffic numbers are, the main reason you want to join, all right, and what your plan is to promote their products. Because after all, they're putting their product in your hands, all right, so they want to know why they should put that product in your hands. So you work and represent them. So you let them know. So you do your homework first. Make sure it's a sound product. This is important. Websites such as Target, eBay, Walmart, Amazon, they're trusted sites. They all have affiliate programs. I choose ShareASale on most of mine, and Amazon, though, and Walmart actually. But again, this is your business. You're going to build. All right, treat it. Remember again, you are not building the business. You are building the people, and the people are building the business. Now, there are a few other ways you can do this. I'm not into drop shipping. I stick with affiliate marketing. There's more money that you have to lay out up front, and there's more responsibility in promoting products and stocking products, and it's not for me. But you can read here what you have to do as far as drop shipping. It's going to cost you money up front. I'm not saying it's not something to do. Maybe as you get more versed in affiliate marketing, you can do drop shipping as well. And again, drop shipping coffee products on Google, and they will come up here. So again, you want the products have a good reputation. Do your homework. Quick shipping service, that's important. Have fees that are acceptable. You don't want huge fees. Quality products, help and experience wherever you can give. And you can also sell your own coffee products. If you have a recipe for your own coffee and that's something you may want to do, you can look into doing that too. But I'm going to stick with affiliate marketing, which is my number one choice. And you can click here to learn how to do that. So you can sell your products on Shopify. You can build a YouTube channel, link your sales with a YouTube advertising. You could even get a booth at a flea market to display what you have. So what you need to start selling coffee products, you're going to need a website. No doubt about it. Affiliate marketing can be a very lucrative step in building your online business, but you cannot do that without a website. So what you want to do is, you can also, I just want to say that you can promote coffee products on social media, which you can also do through a website once you start building a website. You can start your own coffee products YouTube channel. That's another way. And then you can even join coffee products groups and social communities. So there are other ways you can think outside the box. There are other ways to do this. And if once you join this program, you'll find other ways to do it as you become more successful in affiliate marketing. But that's basically how to make money selling coffee online. It's a 4-step process. It's not hard. There is hard work involved, like anything else. But they have the best program, the best training, the best support, bar none. You can join for free. You don't even need a credit card. And I did almost pass this up, and I was so glad that I didn't. You can check this out. This is what you want to check out to get started. And I want to thank you for your time. And before you go, I would appreciate it if you click the like and subscribe button below. And thanks again, and have a great day. Bye.